Our homes should be our sanctuaries. They are the places where we find rest and rejuvenation. Clutter and dirt can disrupt this peace. A clean and organized home fosters a sense of calm and control. This sense of order can extend to our mental state. It reduces feelings of stress and anxiety. We can truly relax when our surroundings are in order. A clean home is not just about aesthetics, it is also about creating a healthy living environment. Dust and allergens accumulate quickly. This can impact our physical well-being. Regular cleaning removes these irritants. It creates a healthier space for us to breathe and live. Beyond the emotional and physical benefits, a clean home can also boost productivity. Clutter is a major distraction. It can make it difficult to focus on tasks. A clean and organized workspace, on the other hand, allows for better concentration. This leads to increased efficiency and a greater sense of accomplishment. In conclusion, a clean home is an investment in our overall well-being. It is a gift we give ourselves. The benefits extend far beyond a tidy appearance. It promotes emotional serenity, physical health, and mental clarity. Embracing cleaning as a form of self-care can transform our homes into havens of peace and productivity. Before we start cleaning, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Deep cleaning is a necessary task. It tackles the dirt and grime that accumulate over time. This type of cleaning goes beyond the surface. It involves a thorough cleaning of every nook and cranny. One of the most daunting tasks of deep cleaning is tackling those hard-to-reach areas. Behind furniture and appliances are often neglected. Dust bunnies multiply and crumbs gather. Pulling out these heavy items and cleaning behind them can feel overwhelming. However, the feeling of accomplishment afterward is worth the effort. Deep cleaning also provides an opportunity to refresh frequently used surfaces. Grout between tiles can become discolored and stained. A good grout cleaner and a scrub brush can work wonders. Carpets and upholstery also benefit from deep cleaning. This removes embedded dirt and allergens, leaving them looking and smelling fresh. Remember, deep cleaning is not about achieving perfection. It is about creating a healthier and more hygienic living space. By tackling these deep-seated messes, we create a foundation for a cleaner and more manageable home environment. While deep cleaning is essential, quick cleaning is the key to maintaining a consistently tidy home. These short bursts of cleaning prevent dirt and clutter from accumulating. This helps us stay on top of our cleaning game. A quick 15-minute cleaning routine can work wonders. Start by focusing on high-traffic areas. Wipe down kitchen counters and the sink. Sweep or vacuum the floors in the entryway and kitchen. Straighten up any clutter in the living room. Small tasks like these make a big difference. Having the right tools can make quick cleaning even more efficient. Microfiber cloths are great for dusting and wiping surfaces. A handheld vacuum is perfect for quick cleanups. Keep your cleaning supplies organized and easily accessible. This will make it easier to grab what you need and get to work. Quick cleaning is not about achieving perfection. It is about creating a habit of tidying up regularly. Even a few minutes each day can make a big difference in maintaining a clean and organized home. Finding your cleaning rhythm. Deep cleans versus quick cleans. The ideal cleaning routine is not one size fits all. The frequency of deep cleans versus quick cleans depends on several factors. Consider your lifestyle, home size, and personal preferences. If you have a busy schedule or a large home, frequent quick cleans might be more manageable. A quick tidy up every day or two can prevent dirt and clutter from becoming overwhelming. Schedule deep cleans less frequently, perhaps seasonally, or every few months. For smaller homes or those who enjoy a more thorough cleaning approach, more frequent deep cleans might be preferable. This could mean deep cleaning one room each week, or it could mean tackling specific tasks like cleaning the bathrooms one week and the kitchen the next. The key is to find a rhythm that works for you. Experiment with different schedules and cleaning methods. Find what feels most sustainable and effective for your lifestyle. Sustainable cleanliness is creating a routine for a consistently tidy home. Maintaining a clean home is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires consistency and realistic expectations. Rather than aiming for perfection, focus on creating sustainable cleaning habits. Start by decluttering regularly. The fewer items you have, the less you have to clean and organize. Implement a one-in, one-out rule for new purchases. Donate or discard items you no longer use or love. Once you have decluttered, create a cleaning schedule that works for you. Break down tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Instead of trying to clean the entire house in one day, focus on one room or area at a time. Remember, it is okay to ask for help. Delegate tasks to family members, or consider hiring a cleaning service if your budget allows. The goal is to create a system that makes cleaning feel less overwhelming and more manageable. Finally, be kind to yourself. Life happens, and there will be times when your home is not perfectly tidy. Embrace imperfection and focus on progress, not perfection. Remember, a clean home is a journey, not a destination. Leave us a comment below telling us which is your preference, a deep clean or a quick clean. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you in the next episode.